Welcome back, Closet Junkies, to Print Sneaker Care YouTube channel, Facebook channel, whatever channel you watching this on. You know what I'm saying? Thank you guys for watching. So in today's video, I want to show you guys how to clean a pair of Tiffany Air Force Ones. This is going to be a very quick and easy tutorial. It's not a hard thing to do. It's very cheap to do. Very affordable to do, but like I said, you can book my cleaning services at printsneakercare.com. Hit services and then fill out the form, and we'll give you a call, or you can just set up an appointment to where you can just come and drop off your shoes. So we're going to be going ahead and getting these back in action. I'm just going to give you a nice close up. So as you can tell, the customer has worn these a lot. They're in great condition, as you can see, and they just need a little bit of love. They just need a little bit of love. So today's video, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna get them some of that Prince Sneaker Care love. Alright? So just pay attention to what we do, alright?
Got it from the bottom, now what's up, boys?
Hey, Kenny, fuck this joint up, man.
Sometimes I just wanna vibe, roll up this weed and just get high. We smoke two at a time, every day on my fucking mind. Take a trip to the sky, wish I could see my folks say hi. Sometimes I just wanna vibe, roll up this weed and just get high. We smoke two at a time, every day on my fucking mind. Taking trips to the sky, wish I could see my folks say hi. It's like I'm dreaming at times, I can't believe Monet just died. Sometimes,
So we got the laces out. As you can see, we got the laces out. Now we're gonna get a nice clean brush. Make sure it's clean, make sure it don't have no debris on it or nothing. A nice clean brush, and we're just gonna brush this way. Get all the debris off the shoes. Already looking good. Alright, we done got the initial dust off the shoes. Alright, so now you're gonna get a nice clean rag, right? And I already have some solution right here. And I'm gonna clean the Nike check marks. I'm gonna clean the Nike check marks. So we gonna go ahead and do that first. We don't need to do nothing, maybe just gently just scrub it a little bit. Gently just scrub it, only because you see how much dirt is in these. I don't know if you can see, there's a lot of dirt on there. So we're gonna try to clean it. So we got that out of the way. I like to continue to brush it to keep the debris off. Alright. So now I want you to get another rag. Right? And here go your trick right here. Get you some white vinegar. Alright? Get you some white vinegar and it's gonna make your shoes look amazing. Alright? Amazing. Oh, as a matter of fact, hold on one second. My bad. Hold on. Hang on. Before we go there, make sure you get these midsoles. Get the midsoles. So now we can get this and get some of this right here, and we good to go. So this way, it won't damage the shoes, it won't hurt the shoes. It honestly helps the shoes. It's the most organic way of cleaning leather, period. You know what I'm saying? White vinegar cleans leather very well because it also cares for it, nurtures it, it don't dry it out. It's not water-based, so it's not gonna damage the shoe. It's not gonna get no water stains or anything like that. It's gonna be a nice, clean, smooth finish. All the debris and everything gonna be gone, and then we're gonna add some stuff to it at the end. You feel me? You can even go over the Nike check with this white vinegar. It's not a problem. Hope you guys love this video. Alright. So we're gonna let that dry up. Then after that dry, I'm gonna show you the next step. Alright. Well, we're gonna continue to clean the next pair, and we're gonna let them dry, right? So when you're working on the laces, I would suggest just taking this off because you don't want to damage it when you clean the laces. The laces is a whole nother process. So let's take these out. And we're going to clean these the same way we clean shoes. Like, I just don't want to clean them with the laces because you never know what reaction you'll get off this kind of stuff. So just take them off.
The mud, searching, trying to find a way. We out the mud, I'm getting caught smoking days. We out the mud, I had to find somewhere to lay. We out the mud, my niggas out here day for day. We out the mud, my nigga wanna play. We out the mud, I heard the rumors anyway. We out the mud, it's filled with plenty dark days. We out the mud, I pray we make it one. Me and my niggas, yeah, we got it out the mud. Know you niggas wish you could, but we still.
Alright, so as you can see, you know, we had that, I don't know if y'all can see it, but we had that look. And we had that right there, that's what we're looking for. So, to get the dust off, you have to use one of these. But we got one more step, and which I think is the most important step.